Understanding knee graze in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to decode a common but sometimes confusing phrase, knee graze. If you're curious about what this phrase means and how to use it in everyday English, then you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we explore this term in detail. The phrase, knee graze, refers to a superficial injury that occurs when the skin on the knee is scraped off, usually due to a fall or collision with a hard surface. It's not a deep wound, but it can be quite painful and often turns red or bleeds slightly. You might hear the term, knee graze, used in various contexts. Health and safety, parents and teachers discussing a child's injury at school or at home. Sports, commentators or players might mention a knee graze when describing an injury during a sports event. Medical, in a medical context, someone might describe their injury as a knee graze to a healthcare professional. Let's put knee graze into action with some example sentences. Timmy fell off his bike and got a nasty knee graze. We need to clean it to avoid infection. The soccer player was tough. Despite a knee graze, she continued to play until the final whistle. When applying a bandage to a knee graze, be sure to apply gentle pressure to stop any bleeding. If you or someone else gets a knee graze, here are some quick tips to manage it. 1. Clean the wound carefully with water to remove any dirt. 2. Apply an antiseptic to prevent infection. 3. Cover with a sterile bandage or plaster if necessary. 4. Monitor for signs of infection like increased pain, redness, or swelling. That wraps up our discussion on knee graze. Remember, while it may not be serious, proper care is crucial to prevent infection and promote healing. I hope this video has been informative and helps you understand how this phrase fits into everyday English usage. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English.